Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Baler, Aurora Province kasama ng pabebe kong kasama na si Shanta. Muntis na. Ngayong araw, ladies and gentlemen, ay napaka-espesyal kasi we're having a gender reveal today. Ako, naka-pink ako ngayon.
Ako naka-blue.
Yes.
Tingnan natin kung sino yung mananalo.
Yes. Sino ba ang tama? Pink or blue? Babae or lalaki? Kung rainbow,
Okay lang yan.
bayot. Dahil nandito kami sa Baler, Aurora Province, we're going to tawagin ko yung pamilya ko kasi mag-gender reveal na tayo. Ayan. We have party poppers pa, di ba, Shan? Di ba, bebe?
Yes, bebek.
Yeah!
Yay!
Alright, let's do this. Dito po kami mag-gender reveal sa Aurora, Baler. Dito sa resort na to. Check it out. Check out kung gaano kaganda tong lugar na to.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you how wonderful you are. And I
BJ,
really wanna take
what's your guess, man?
Bakla.
What's your guess, Amberly? What do you think
Boy,
it'll
I'll
be?
just be different.
Boy, what do you think, Adam? Bye. Bye. What do you think, Dad?
Give me a pulse. A girl.
Lie
I think it's a
detector
girl.
guy.
Yeah.
You think it's a girl, eh? Alright. I'm wearing pink, Shanta's wearing blue. We're gonna find out, mate. Who wants to do the party poppers when we announce it? Alright, VJ.
How do you do it?
Here you go. And then we're gonna do it. Alright. She wants to film.
Yeah, I don't want to be in it.
Guys, ready? Bawal pa mag-video. Pop it, pop it.
It's gay!
We're gonna let our baby choose its own gender.
Wow.
Friggin' choosing its own gender because I believe gender is not assigned at birth. No, we're joking. It's a boy!
Hey! I was freaking right.
Lalaki!
You guess right, Ami.
You freaking
Oh, time to clean up.
Yes, it's a boy! You were freaking wrong, Adam. We couldn't actually find all blue party poppers, so we just went with multicolors.
Pero sila maglinis na tayo.
That means Romeo and our baby will be friends, Emily. Yes!
Like they wouldn't be friends if it was a girl.
Uday! May kaibigan na, may barkada na anak mo, pre.
Potential yan.
We don't have a name for it though.
Oh, you don't have a name.
No.
Name it Warner.
Name it Duan.
Name it Duan. I'll name it. I don't know. We don't have a boy's name, dude. No, it's gonna be Aurora.
Aurora.
Yeah, Aurora.
Pero lalaki.
Aurora.
Pag lalaki, betlog lang.
O sige, ayusin mo. Maglinis ka ng mabuti, ha?
Ano natin?
Did you have a name for Mason?
Do this one, so make it thicker, bro. Hey? You really think about this. It makes it clean.
Hindi mo naman maglinis. Sino nagturo sa'yo?
Ginagaya ko lang sila.
Ito yung ano, yung clue ko sa inyo dati pa, yung braces ko.
Oh, diba?
Kaya pinalitan ko siya.
Oo nga eh. Nakita po namin ang patoto niya sa anong tawag nun?
Yes, parents. Okay, it's not a girl. Alam ko, ay ano, ito yung tutoy.
Oh?
This one.
Totoo?
Yeah.
Ang laki, no? Ultrasound, no? Ayan,
Actually, hindi ko
oh.
nakita. Nakita ko lang na nag-yon siya, gawin siya.
Ayan, did you see? Ah, Bella! Okay.
So alam niyo na, Duwanta fam, we're having a boy. Napaka-exciting po. So abangan niyo po. May next year, di ba, Shan? Mag-anak ka na.
2020 na ngayon. Next
Ay,
year
May
pa.
this year pala na. Tagal pa. Alright guys, maraming salamat sa panunood sa gender reveal namin ni Shanta. Yay!
You're beautiful, shine like a star.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Phil Talk.
Phil Talk. Phil Talk.
Connect, learn, and discover with Phil Talk.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.